Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this Gooseneck work light. This is a 1-pack. As you can see, you get this battery powered Gooseneck work light. Great for working on a car. Nothing really around the box to show you, so we'll open it on up. Nice styrofoam in here, okay. And that's it for the box. So we have a little instruction manual, and then an included USB-C type cable to charge it up. And then this is the actual light. You got a nice hook here, where if you need to hang it on something, this is where your actual light comes from. This also is magnetic, so, you know. And then if you just press your power button, you've got a working light. And you can go down, down, and off. So there's brightest, medium, low, and off. Very easy to use. The hook gives you tons of options depending on, you know, if you need it wherever you need it at. And you can take this off and put it however you may need. It looks like it fits a pretty good battery, and in terms of charging, it is right here. This is where you charge the device, and you can even plug in your phone to charge your phone if you needed to, or any other device from this light. So the magnets. But that will essentially do it for this Gooseneck work light unboxing. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you what comes inside of here. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.